Hi everybody, we're going to make something really yummy. It's one of Ray's favorites. It's going to be tartar sauce, homemade, and I'm going to pick up some haddock tomorrow, and he's going to have a little bit of sauce on it. Not a lot because it's got some pickle relish in it, but we're trying to use up what we have, and he's using everything in moderation. So you'll see a whole lot of changes going on here and how I'm making meals and what I'm putting into the meals and trying. It is going to take a while to get him off completely sugar, but we're trying. He saw the doctor today, just a little bit of an update. He's doing very well. He's gained some weight back, which he lost while he was sick. And the medication is really helping. His inhalers are really helping. He told him we've got to keep on it because he's got emphysema with this COPD. So very, very important that we follow a diet and he keeps his medication going in inhalers. So let's get ready. It's going to be homemade tartar sauce with a Grammie twist. It makes about 1 cup. I've had this recipe for a very long time. So let's get started. I'm going to pan you down so you can see what I'm doing. There, I guess I got it. I thought I was going to lose you. So you want to have some mayonnaise of your choice. You want to have some pickle relish of your choice. I'm going to just bring you up just a little bit. There. And some lemon juice of your choice. And Tabasco sauce of your choice. So let's get going here. You want 1 cup of mayo. My cup's out here. Boy, am I glad to tell you that finally it's 80 degrees today and not so humid. It has been wicked here. Very dry. We're in a drought. Some of the farmers are trying to get their first crop of hay in, and it's very difficult. It's not good. Not good at all because everything is so dry. Okay, so here's your 1 cup of mayo right there. I'm going to put that right in. Oh, I just dinged the bowl. I tried not to. I guess I need to get my glasses adjusted there. Get it all out here as much as we can. I got this little nifty tool that I got in my Taste of Home box that I loved back in, I think it was December. It takes a lot of the food right off, which is nice. Tell you, the way food prices is, every little bit counts today. Well, every bit always counted. In my book anyways. So then you want 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Or if you don't have relish, you can do fine pickles. I should look, 2 tablespoons. I just shouldn't assume I'm getting the correct one, should I? Because you never know. Here's 1. I don't know what he's going to do when this is gone. It's on his way out of being gone. I'll have to make pickles with no sugar. He'll have to eat sour pickles. Okay, and there's 2 right there. Take this. Get what little bit we got out. Just like that. Now you want a teaspoon of lemon juice. Teaspoon of lemon juice. I don't usually keep everything all together today, but I've got a very busy day. Ray has today off, and we got a lot of work to do. Is that a teaspoon? Yes. That's a ½ tablespoon. Okay. We're putting a teaspoon of lemon juice in. And then you want a 1/4 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. Me, I'd put a little bit more in, but Ray, nah, he won't go along with that. Oh, that hurts my shoulder. Oh well, I gotta get it in. There, it's coming, I'm sorry. Guess he's getting a little extra anyways. There you go. 1/4 of a teaspoon of that. Then you want to take a whisk. And then you just want to whisk it all together. It smells really good. Imagine this all refrigerated up on fresh haddock. Oh, yum. Just like that. And I'll put it in a little jar and put it in the refrigerator, and when I do bake haddock tomorrow night, this will go on it. Just like that. So if you like this video, please share it out. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And I'm going to give you a close look up here of this. Let this set up. Be really nice here. Let me give you a nice close-up view. A little bit of everything in there. Doesn't that look good? So, if you like this video, like I said, share it out. Please give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep the faith. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.